Class 11th. Hope you are doing your work well. And I am teaching you chapter 2nd, Olympic movement. And learning objectives are ancient and modern Olympics, Olympic symbols, ideal objectives, and values. In previous class, I had already told you about ancient and modern Olympics, how ancient Olympics started, history was there, and later on many games and many other sports has been included after a couple of years. The rules for the competition I had told you, who can take part and who cannot take part. Then opening ceremony, how it's happened, and what are the games that were included in a past few years. Then awards, what type of awards, food grains, animals, and olive oil crown is given to them. Now I am going to teach you modern Olympics games. Modern Olympic games. Before going to this heading, I would like to remember you that while submitting your homework, submitted your work, physical education work, the dates you had been provided, and I got a message from a child that due to network issue or there is a problem in a mobile, before saying to me that sir please submit, you can consult to your class teacher. You can write a message to your class teacher that due to this problem I am unable to submit my work. Then a class teacher will consult with me what is the problem and hope your problem will be sorted out. So directly asking me, you can ask to a class teacher because they are taking your attendance, and try to complete your work within the time which you had been given. Modern Olympic game. The credit to start modern Olympic games goes to Paris Baron de Coubertin of France. And one more thing I want to share you that in this chapter there are many MCQs question. Many MCQs question. One of them is Paris de Coubertin of France. There may be 4 options, and in that, who the credit to start the modern Olympic games goes to Paris de Coubertin, and there will be 3 more options. You have to write a particular or a correct answer. Coubertin was born in Paris in 1st January 1862. Coubertin was born in Paris on 1st January 1862. His family member wanted him to join army, so he joined the Sainik Academy. But after some time he left it and started studying political science. Having studied political science, he came to know about nation and international problems. In political science, you studied about the problems and solutions of our country and related questions that had been raised by opponent parties. He thought national and international problems could be easily solved through Olympic Games. Coubertin succeeded in enlisting worldwide support, and the first modern Olympic Games held in Athens in 1896. First Olympic Games were held in Athens in 1896. In 1896 Athens Olympic Games, the modern Olympic Games, only 9 countries participated. 122 countries participated in 1972. 3 Olympics could not held during the 2 world wars. And during at that time, World War started, First and Second World War. We are talking about First and Second World War. Olympic motto. It is very important. Olympic motto. Olympic motto comprise 3 Latin words. There are 3 Latin words. That first one is Citis, Altis and Fortis, which means faster, higher and stronger. Citis means faster, Altis means higher, Fortis means stronger. Student, these are the small questions that are very good for MCQs, and you have to remember the meaning and what type of questions are there for MCQs. Olympic flag. Olympic flag was created in 1913 at the suggestion of Baron de Coubertin. It was the first ceremony inaugurated in Paris in June 1914. The flag is made up of white silk and contains 5 interlock rings. You had already know, but still I am telling you, and interlock with each other and with different colors also. America, Europe, Australia, Asia and Africa. These were the 5 continents. The 5 rings have different colors. They have different colors and different meaning also. Yellow, green, red, blue and black. The interlock of ring symbols symbolize cooperation and friendship. What interlock symbolize? Cooperation and friendship. In this paragraph, we had come to know about who was the man that started modern Olympic Games, about Olympic motto, Olympic flag has 5 rings that is interlocked, and the meaning of flag is friendship and cooperation. Olympic flame. Olympic flame is the symbol of knowledge, life and happiness. It also symbolizes peace. This flame of torch is lighted on kindled in Olympic village of Greece and is carried by the runner to place where Olympic Games are going to be organized. The closing ceremony of this game, this flame is extinguished. Before starting, we light this torch, and after the game that has been over, we extinguished this torch from the Olympic Games. Olympic awards. We all know about what type of awards are given nowadays. The first and the second, third position holders are awarded with gold, silver, and bronze medals and certificate. The next five position holders are also awarded with certificates only. First, second, third, they receive medals, gold, silver, and bronze. But beside that, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth, they receive certificates. They had participated in Olympic Games. Now we come to Olympic oath. Olympic motto and Olympic oath, they both are different, and you have to understand the different meaning of both of them. We swear that we will take part in Olympic Games in loyal competition, respecting the regulation which governs them and desirous of participating in them in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the honor of our country and the glory of sports. It is written, you can underline it, and if there is a question regarding Olympic oath, you can write 2 lines of this. Olympic oath, as we are doing in our school also in a small scale, but for an Olympic we need a bigger setup. And now we come to Olympic symbols, ideal, objectives, and values. I had already told you about 5 rings that are interlocked and their color, different color and different meaning. The rings also symbolize the 5 continents. I had already told you: Africa, America, Asia, Australia, and Europe. These are the 5 continents. Each ring is of different color. The color of each ring was proposed by Coubertin himself. However, it is important to emphasize the Paris de Coubertin never said or wrote that the color of the rings were linked with different continents. Olympic motto is inscribed under the emblem, which consists of 3 Latin words that is Citus, Altius, and Fortis. Faster, higher, and stronger. These are the 3 Latin words. And what was an Olympic objective? Olympic, there are 6 objectives: to pay attention towards physical education and sports, to develop personality characteristics, citizen qualities, health among the youth, formation of good habit among sports person, to develop patriotism and among sports person, to develop international fraternity and peace while playing together. We all countries come together, not to have a discrimination on the basis of caste and religion. Development of values through Olympic movements. And what are those values for development through Olympics? Development in various fields. Friendship. First is friendship. The Olympic movement provides opportunity to develop friendship not only among the person but among the nation also, because there are 5 continents that are taking part and we are meeting to each other, sharing our views. Fair play. Second is fair play. Up to some extent, it comes to be said that Olympic enhance chances of fair play. Fair play is based on justice. There should be justice for each player as well as the team, because we had made the various rules and regulations. Various committees are working behind that, and they had made various rules and regulations for the participants in those who are taking part. If you are taking track and field, they have a different rules and regulation. Swimming, you have different. And by taking in a team game, you have different. Therefore, it can be said that Olympic movement is respect not as successful as it should have been, free from discrimination. It is said that there will be no discrimination on the basis of caste, race and religion. It is very important to understand caste, race and religion. So the Olympic movement laid down enough stress on this aspect. That is why up to some extent Olympic Games are free from discrimination. As such an event, there is no meaning of caste, race, religion or community. About the values such as friendship, fair play, free from discrimination, it can be said that Olympic movement play a significant role in the development of these values. And these are the great values and play an important role in any game or development of values. International Olympic Committee. The International Olympic Committee is also IOC, is the governing body of modern Olympic Games. The International Olympic Committee has headquarters in Switzerland. It was created by Pierre de Coubertin on 23 June 1894. 23 June 1894. The IOC organized the modern Olympic Games held in summer and winter every 4 years. Every 4 years there is an Olympic game. These first Olympic Games by the International Committee was held in Athens, that is in Greece. Members of Olympic Committee, IOC. The description of these members are as follows: President, Vice President, Executive Board. Main function of IOC. There is a president elected by the members, then vice president. 4 vice president are elected. The officials are also elected by members of the committee. Executive Board. The IOC Executive Board consists of president, 4 vice president and 10 other members. Main function of IOC. This is very important. The place where the Olympic will be organized is decided by this committee. The first and important work. For conducting the competition and general program for the Olympics, and set rules and regulations. It also encourage and support the promotion of ethics in sports. It also ensure regular conduct of Olympic Games. It also act against any form of discrimination affecting the Olympic movement. It encourages the development of all kinds of all for sports. It opposes any political or commercial abuse of the athletes. These are 6 or 7 or 10 main functions of IOC. Go through it and read it well, because at the back there are many questions related to IOC and there are many MCQs. Later on I will give you some of the question what type of MCQs are there.